You can hear them in the distance.
Those are the further away ones.
Wow! Oh my god, I saw that coming. I'm like, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be a loud one because you can see them going in the air. Whoa, what was that?
What?
I have no clue what that was, but a bunch of rocks just flew at us. What are those? That's kind of scary.
I don't know. Must have been rocks that came down from those.
I know, because that was scary.
Was a huge one.
That was scary.
Somebody's definitely having fun over there.
Oh, yes. It's awesome.
I guess none in the back yet. Let's see if they do in the back yet. Nope. Guess not. Nothing over there. That's gonna be a big one.
Yes! Yeah. Whoa! That's awesome!
To tell you the truth, they've actually did better fireworks this 4th of July than they did New Year's.
Oh, yes.
There's like a few of them.
Yeah, I remember it was like...
They only did like a few.
Yeah.
Maybe like for 10 minutes.
You see the smoke up in the air. You guys see that?
It's all coming over here by the tree. This little smoke right there.
Yeah. It's going through there. Wow.
Way over there.
Yeah. Stand up and see. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's one all the way over there.
This is gonna be a big one.
I'm scared. Whoa. Yeah. It was just like a... They sure do love their Independence Day.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure everybody does.
250 years.
250 years?
Yep, that's how old America is. 250 years.
Wow.
They might be reloading over on that side.
Yeah.
Smell it?
Yes, I will get it.
Smell firecrackers? Oh, good old smell of firecrackers.
That's the smell of 4th of July. My light over there is crazy.